Welcome back to Karenliz TV. And for today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys yung aking brow tutorial. As in, brow tutorial. Madami nagre-request din ito sa akin, yung aking brow tutorial. Hindi ko alam kung bakit gusto nyo yung kilay ko, but tingnan nyo naman ang kilay ko, ang natural kilay. Medyo napanipis yung pag-ahit ko ngayon. Also, ayan, mayroon na akong base makeup, pero wala pang powder. Kasi ganun ako pag nagbabrow. Medyo hinuhuli ko yung powder. Hinayaan ko lang siya mag-set ng ganyan. So, I use the Face Shop Air Cotton Makeup Base, and then Maybelline Superstay Foundation, and then the Fit Me Concealer din ng Maybelline. And ito yung aking mga brow essentials. Number 1, brow pencil. Kahit anong brow pencil, depende sa color ng buhok mo. And I use a brow pencil to shape or yung line my eyes, and then I'm going to fill it in with any brow powder. For now, I am using the Detail Makeover Make Brow, and for the pencil, I am using Tropicana Brownies. And then, to set my brows, ang ginagamit ko is the Nichito Tinted Brow Gel, and this is in the shade Salted Caramel. Ito yung meron ako kasi before, medyo blonde yung hair ko, kaso yan, nagkulay na kasi ako, and mababa na din siya. Kaya pag titignan mo, parang black na. But still, I use this. And this is Arita Full Cover Concealer. So, first is the Tropicana Brownies, or any brow pencil will do. I really like this Tropicana Brownies kasi meron na siyang automatic pen. Excuse me. Meron na automatic pencil and also a brush. And then, of course, you have to brush up your hair. Medyo nalalagyan na ng kulay kasi meron siyang kulay dati. Hindi ko naman siya nililinis. So, ayan, nakita nyo naman, biglang nagkakulay yung aking kilay. Kung makapal lang kilay ko, ganyan lang pwede na. Pero hindi. Ang daming sparse area, ganyan. So, what I do is line, yan lang, outline lang, outline my brows. So, okay lang kung medyo parang makapal siya, kaya meron tayong concealer. Later, gagamitin natin. Next is the brow powder, and ang maganda dito sa brow powder na to, meron na siyang angled brush. And in fairness naman sa angled brush na to, useful siya. And then yan, you have 2 brow color and then a highlighter. Then you also have a mirror. If you want to see my review on this, then check nyo na lang yung description box or the card. So, madalas ko gamitin this one in the middle. And then ito, dito lang minsan sa parang loob na part. So, yan. Fill lang natin. Sobrang dali lang, guys, ang aking paggawa. Hindi naman ako masyado parang always brows on flick. Maganda din kasi yung parang medyo natural tingnan. Yung hindi lagi parang pakak na pakak yung kilay mo. Pangit naman kasi sobrang pakak ng kilay mo and then your makeup medyo parang low. Alam mo yun. Hindi naman pang Instagram on flick kilay yung ina-achieve natin. This is just how I do my brows and next what I do is binabrush ko lang siya with the spoolie that came in the brow pencil para medyo ma-lighten up niya or ma-lighten down niya yung color. And then later yung brow gel, kuha muna ako ng concealer para malinis siya. Very aunty lang kasi full coverage concealer ito. Yung Maybelline Fit Me, hindi kasi siya ganun ka full coverage when it comes to parang cleaning the edges of my brows. So, and next, I'm going to use this flat brush. Ang ganda nito for cleaning up yung brow edges, yung outside the brows. Ang nipis kasi nito, actually sa ko ba nabili ito? I think sa Divisoria lang tong brush na to. Synthetic naman siya. Alam ko sobrang hirap ipantay ng kilay, diba guys? I know the struggle. Tapos, kung okay naman yung sa taas na part, huwag nyo na linisin with concealer. Kung gusto nyo linisin yan, use a foundation. So, ipapakita ko na lang din sa inyo since kung kailangan nyo. So, gagamitin ko yung Maybelline na foundation. Bakit foundation, not the concealer? Kasi masyadong light. And, ang gusto ko kaya lighter dito kasi parang na-highlight na rin yung brow bone area. And, dito naman, kailangan same lang with the foundation you use. Dapat same color lang para hindi halata. And then, use a different brush. Kunwari, mga pencil brush or parang mga dense na eyeshadow brush para ma-blend mo yan. So, next is the tinted brow gel in salted, niche ito, tinted brow gel in salted caramel. Sorry, medyo may sipon kasi ako kasi malamig na naman ang panahon. So, medyo binabawasan ko lang siya kasi ang daming nakukuha na product ng brush or ng bristles. And then, yan, binabrush upwards ko lang. And, yeah, we're done. Diba, very natural tingnan. So, of course, papakita ko din yung paggawa ko sa kabilang side. Pero, let's fast forward na. So, last one na lang, additional lang or optional naman to. Kahit na nag-concealer na ako dito sa brow bone area, sometimes I use highlighter. Lalo na kung mga ganito yung nakukuha kong brow powder na may kasamang highlighter, naalala ko siyang gawin. So, let's do this lang. Yan. Para complete yung ating brow look. Just under the brow bone area, itap off mo lang siya. And then, yan, blend lang. You can use your fingertip or an eyeshadow brush. Ikaw bahala. So, yan guys. Very easy lang na aking brow tutorial. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if na-try nyo din gawin yung aking tutorial ng brows, then please do tag me on Instagram or on Facebook. And thank you, Malus, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you on the next one, Malus. Bye!